Today we're going to show you how to hook up dry contact wires to a BarnTalk Gateway. You want to start by turning off the power and unplugging the gateway from the wall. Then remove the cover from the gateway. We're going to slip the dry contact wires in through the grommet. And then we need to connect the two wires, one to the common and the other one to DIN1 or dry contact 1. There's also a DIN2 which you can use for your second dry contact number 2. Slide the wire into the terminal and tighten the screw. And I'm going to take the white wire and slide it under the terminal for DIN1. Secure that. And that's all there is to it. You want to tighten the grommet back down to seal against dust and water from getting inside the gateway. And then you can put the lid back on and turn your gateway back on. Thank you.